Hello, teacher and classmates. This is my video. Answer the questions. Personal information. What is your name? My name is Marianela Jerez Rincon. Where are you from? I am from Colombia. How are you? I have 22 years old. What is your email address? My email address is marianela.08@hotmail.com. And what do you do? My occupation is I am a student at the University of NAT, and I am a cashier at a company. Where do you live? Describe the place. I live in a city called Cucuta. Its ubication is on the border with Venezuela. It's a commercial city. The department has tourist zones that make it special. Personality. What are your hobbies? I like riding bike. Sometimes I make food, especially cake or desserts. Sometimes I like to take a picture. Yes, I like the photography. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is spaghetti with chicken. My favorite ice cream are citrus taste. What's your favorite movie? Why? I don't have favorite movie, but I like the romantic comedy movies. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite book? Why? My favorite book is the Bible because it's special for me and strengthens my spirit. And mention some of your qualities, positive and negative. I am creative, I am simple person, I enjoy the little things, I'm strong when the going to go. I don't like when there are people arrogant and humiliate that makes me feel powerless, and I could be very helpful with my words. Routines and weekend plans. And describe your daily routine. I work 6 days a week, 8 hours per day. I have 2 timetables. The first, I arrive at 8 in the morning and I leave at 5 p.m. The next week, I arrive at 9 and leave at 6 p.m. When I arrive at home, I do university activities. What do you usually do on weekends? In weekends, I go at church, I visit my grandmother, I spend time with my friends, and sometimes go out with my family. A significant person in my life. He is my mother. My mother called Carmen. She has 50 years old. She is a dressmaker, and works from home. She is short. She has straight and black hair. She wears glasses. My mother is a person very spiritual. She is generous and she likes to help people. Always come to her for advice. My mom is very overprotective with me. Share some experience. Share an experience that made you feel happy. I remember when I knew for first time the sea. I feel very happy because it was one of my dreams as a child. And describe an event that made you feel sad, nervous, or worried. When born my nephew, I felt very happy for that, but the delivery was complicated. complicated, and an emergency surgery had to be performed in this moment. I feel really anxious because I thought that my sister could have died. Thank you.